Here we are talking about balance rod operations and link rods. Okay, while we are moving on different terrains or suspensions movements, you can see there is a shock absorber stud, and it's moving like that on turning, like that on turning. So the movement of link rods of the universal joints are also moving with different angles. You can see the upper universal joint and the lower one, it's tilting as per vehicle requirement, turning requirements, like that and like that. Furthermore, that play also, it is the universal play from the upper joint of the shock absorber. So it covers by the link rod joints. Normally the noise came from linker joints is on turning because of the excessive play on the link rod joints from bottom to top area, and the literal play from the balance rod bushes you can see from here, which is like this one, means this play normally. So this is the crucial part of the suspension also, while we are talking about the suspension noises and different noises. We have to keep in mind about the link rods joints excessive play and deformation of balance rod bushes also. Thank you very much.